How you guys doing? It's Mike from River Raptors Fishing. We're out here. We're going to do some wading. It's beginning of fall. Water's still down a little bit low. We had some rain move in, and we might get some more. So we're going to see what the weather's going to do today. It's going to be either hit or miss. So stay tuned. Got one. Don't know what it is, but I saw it jumping. Ooh. Ooh, what is this here? What is this here? On the swim jig. Like I said, I saw him breaking. Is it a smallmouth? Oh yeah, it's a smallie. It's a good little smallie. Come here, buddy. Yeah, a little smallmouth. Off my Bass Pro swim jig. Yep. And there's a slot limit on Indiana rivers. So this guy's going back. Yeah, but we're gonna let this guy go. See you, buddy. All right. Well, looks like they're wanting these things. Folks, that was pretty much instantaneous. As soon as that thing sunk and hit the water over there, I bet you there might be another one in there. Let's see if he had a friend. Preferably one of the 5-pound variety. First cast. What do we got here? Oh, a little largy. Fat guy, he's been eating good. These things are great baits. He's just a little guy. We're gonna let him go. See you, bud. I'm cool. He's resting right down there next to me. Yep. These are just little cheap swim baits from Bass Pro Shop. I use the big ones. And you can see even little fish will smack them. Yeah, something just smacked the hell out of that. There's a hit. Got one. Oh, it's another bass. These are just all flopping around. Oh. Come here, buddy. Get out of that current. There we go. They're swimming upstream to me. Well, that's a little bit better. Come here, bud. Oh, we're getting bigger. Yeah, we're getting a little bit bigger. We're gonna let him go back. Don't tell your buddies. Two out of that hole. I'll try throwing this thing upside down and see what it does. Feels like they're in that slack water right there. Well, it's a pretty deep hole. The question is, how many bass are in there? I know there's a bunch of bait fish right by my feet, little minnows and stuff. Caught a leaf. Yep, these are called the sassy shads. If there's anything, I'll pick this up right here. I might have spooked them if they are. Ooh, right here. Y'all see that? Right in the current. He came up and freaking tanked it. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's 3 fish in under 5 minutes, guys. Yeah, it's 3 fish in under 5 minutes. Good, healthy guy. Dun, 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 da, da, da. That's cool. Don't tell your friends, buddy, and they won't let you go. Well, he went back down that hole. Came right up, followed me right up. Might be a big one in here. Well, at least I'm catching them and letting them go. So the population will keep going. Personally, I don't like eating bass. I don't think they taste that great. That's 3 largies. And all they're doing is just feeding on minnows over here. It didn't seem like throwing the tail upside down really mattered too much. I just got 1 rod, and I'll walk back to the truck if I need to get anything new. Someone just jumped out of the water right there, a little minnow. Getting chased by something. Four bass today, not that bad. Here we go, folks. Got something good. I don't know what it is. I got something real good. This thing feels like it's got some shoulders on it. It's in the current. Hit the swim bait. I don't know what this is. Oh no, we got a fuck me. Damn. There we go. There's something good. What the heck is this? It's a good smallie. They're just pounding in the current. Or is this a largemouth? Oh, it's a smallie. I swear the other one I had on was a freaking tank compared to this guy. Well, this one's very respectable. There we go. That's a good Indiana smallmouth. It's about the size of my arm. That other one had to have been a 4-pounder at least. Really pretty fish. Damn good smallie. We're gonna let him go. Take off, buddy. Well, folks, I'm just casting underneath the train bridge. They're in the, seem to be in this really fast current. If I knew where there was one, there'd probably be another one. There's probably a few in here. Being in the water, you don't really want to spook them. There's not a lot of time left this year, or when the bass are really on fire, so I figured I'd go out and do a video on this. Guys, I don't usually use braided line. Well, I lost a really big catfish one time trusting braid. And it wrapped me around probably some metal stuff in the river. And that was the end of it. I felt it like scream drag on my catfish rod. And I had that thing bowed over. But because I used braided line, it came off. So if I got some logs or wood, I don't mind using braid. Here we go. Hit it again. Got a real tiny window. I keep throwing it over here and it keeps getting nipped. Try it now. Did it again. I wonder if that's a little walleye banging at it. Try casting upstream a little bit. Nothing that time. Got one again. Ooh, what do we got here? You ain't get away, buddy. No. You ain't getting away. You're a big smallie. You are a big smallie. Wanting to fight. That's what we're talking about. Another good smallie. All I had to do was let the spot chill out for a little bit and produced another good one. Good smallmouth bass. There you go. So guys, if you decide to do this, I'm gonna warn you about trees. Ow, I just hit one. Stuff you can't see under the water. Flash floods. You gotta be very mindful and always have an escape route. Always let someone know where you're gonna be at in case you don't show up. And pretty much be able to fend for yourself if you get hurt out here. Well guys, I got rained out again, so we're gonna wrap up the show. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.